This is lesson 2 in the lesson, The Sounds of the Consonant and Practicing Sentence Stress. These are called the nasals. Nasal is associated with your nose. It's the hum sounds. M, N, Ng. The Ng sound. M, N, Ng, M, N, Okay, one, M, you must close your mouth. Okay, N, your tongue comes to the top of your mouth and stops. And NG comes from your throat. Like sing, ring. Okay, listen to these and say it after me. The team will come home. The team will, L sound, will, the team will come home. Okay, your mouth must close completely. I am fond of the jam. I am fond, D sound, fond of the F sound of the jam. I am fond of the jam. I am fond of the jam. That man has a tan. That man has a tan, a suntan. His skin is dark brown because he's been in the sun. That man has a tan. Make the final consonant sound for each of the words. Turn the sun into a fan. Turn the sun into a fan. Next, the green pen is thin. The green pen is thin. Practice each one of those. Next, let's sing a song. Let's, TS sound. Let's sing a song, the NG sound. Let's sing a song. Next, the king wore a ring. King wore a ring. King, ring. The last one, he is strong and young. He is strong and young. All right, practice these again and again.